I'm going to boil it all down to this idea of just monkey do, right? Just turn off the brain. Don't monkey see, monkey do. Don't monkey see, monkey do. You've seen enough, you've watched enough YouTube videos, you've read enough books, you've listened to enough podcasts, you've asked enough questions to ChatGPT. You know how to do it. You know what you need to do. You know what you want. You know that if you do it, you know that you stand a chance of getting it. And you know what to do. You're not stuck. You know exactly what to do. So just do.
Hey, do what, Art? You do it, and do it, and do it.
And this idea of monkey do is meant to just simplify things. You know, stop thinking you're too smart. You keep coming up with reasons as to why you can't do it. To preserve life, you're automatically going to come up with reasons as to why you want to avoid a risk. So if this was a YouTube video, the thumbnail would be a monkey with a banana. Maybe I'd be the monkey and then there'd be a banana over there, right? Monkey do, because the title is How to Get the Banana. Firstly, what do you want? Do you believe you can get it? And what do you need to do to get it? What do you want? As the monkey, we want the banana, right? Whatever that represents. Could be money, could be relationship, could be whatever form of success it is in your life. But the question of what do you want, the answer pops out at you. It's very obvious to you what you want in your life, right? Why do you want it? Well, that will help you to reinforce. If the why is strong enough, you can bear anyhow. I'm paraphrasing Nietzsche really badly. So your why is for abundance. You need to provide for the family. You need to survive, right? Why does the monkey need to get the banana? It's got to live. It's got to thrive. It has to provide for its family. Does it believe that it can get it? Do you believe that you can get the thing that you want to get? Well, you see other people doing it. This monkey sees the other monkeys getting the banana, so it must be possible. If somebody else can do it, you can do it. And what do you need to do to get it? Now you're going to think this is where you're going to get stuck, right? All self-belief in the world. Do I believe I can get it? Do I know what I want? Who am I? Do I believe I can get it? Keep going around in loops. You can answer that question, bottom it out. You know, you've been journaling for the last 10 years and you're trying to figure out what you need to do to get it. And you're like, I just don't know what to do. There's just too many options. Now you've got AI, you can go in a million different directions. What do I do to get this banana? And the answer is just do. Literally just do something, anything. Do anything, it's better than nothing. And you will figure out along the way, you'll do something that's roughly in the direction of the banana, and then you'll come up against some other obstacle that needs to be defeated, another tribe of monkeys or whatever it is, and you keep working your way towards the thing that you know you want, because you know that it's possible to get it, and you pave your way there. The path becomes clearer as you take action, and you no longer have to wait to figure out what the perfect action is. You just do, and in doing, you will progress. So, you know, this all sounds really nice and philosophical and everything, and you're thinking, like, it sounds silly to just do anything, right? Because what guarantee is there that if you just do a bunch of stuff that you're going to get the thing that you want? The only guarantee that you absolutely have is that if you do the most that you can do with what you know right in front of you right now, is that you will move forward. You actually don't need a guarantee that you're going to reach some extreme end goal, because the only guarantee you really need to be fulfilled in your life is that you will move forward towards that goal. Ultimately, if you actually set a goal that extends beyond your life, that you can accept you will never reach, and you're part of something bigger, you accept that you're never going to really get there, but you can move in that direction. That means that every step you take in that direction is the most fulfilling thing that you can do. So, do you know what you want? Do you believe that you can get it? And do you have some rough idea as to what you might need to do to get it? Do one last ChatGPT, open up another chat, put it in another project. What do I need to do? And then just